Greetings, this is a Yoni healing ritual story called She is Returning, a postpartum steam story. Breathe in. Hold and release. Breathe in, Mama. You are safe here. You've crossed oceans no one could see. Your body has moved through worlds, through pain, through power, through portals of life and loss and becoming. Now you sit here, not because you're broken, but because you're ready. Ready to come home to yourself. Let the steam rise to meet you. Let the warmth kiss your womb. Gently, lovingly, like a mother's hand on your belly. There is no rush. There is no demand. Only breath. Only steam. Only now. Your body has done what only bodies born of star and soil can do. It held life. It stretched and opened and bled and birthed. It carried you through the mystery, and now it's asking to be held. So hold her. Not with pressure, but with presence. You may feel tired, tender, changed, but listen. Your womb is speaking. Her voice is soft, like a whisper in the roots of your being. She says, thank you, I'm healing. I'm not the same, and that's sacred. Sit with me, steam with me, love me. And so you do. You sit, you soften, you steam. You remember that your womb is not a place of shame or silence. It is a place of power, a place of prayer, a place of rebirth. The herbs in this blend, marigold, chamomile, rosemary, yarrow, they are not just plants. They are guardians, they are healers, they are reminders that nature restores, and so can you. You are not expected to bounce back. You are invited to rise slow, to bleed in your own rhythm, to rebloom on your own time. This is not the end of a journey. It is the sacred pause between chapters. And in this pause, you sit in the steam, in light, in breath, in blessing. Because the truth is, she is not lost. She is not gone. She is returning. You are returning. Breathe. Feel the warmth swirl in your core. Feel the gratitude swell in your chest. Place a hand over your heart. Place the other over your womb. And speak, even if only in your spirit. I am safe. I am sacred. I am restoring. My body is a temple. My womb is a light. I give myself the grace to heal. Let's repeat that. I am safe. I am sacred. I am restoring. My body is a temple. My womb is a light. I give myself the grace to heal. When the steam fades and the world calls again, you will rise differently. Not empty, but full. Not weakened, but woven together in a new way. You will walk like the woman who remembers. I am still her. I am more of her. I am becoming. Breathe in, Mama. Release. Ashe, and so it is.